Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Our subject is mathematics, and the topic is all about measuring angles. Okay.
Good.
So, before that, I want to ask you, are you familiar with the word protractor?
Yes!
Oh, very good, because that would be useful for our topic for today about angles. So, measuring angles using the protractor.
No!
Okay. It's okay because I'm going to, that would be our lesson for today. So, if you know what is protractor, can you define about you? A protractor, what is a protractor? What can you say about the protractor? Yes, diba? It's like a half circle and it has a measure. Okay, there's also a protractor that measures 360 degrees, but a basic protractor, it only measures 180 degrees. So that's what you said, half circle, it measures 180 degrees. Okay? So, okay. Let us discuss angles. So, there are different kinds of angles. One is the obtuse angle, second is acute angle, and the right angle. What is right angle? Okay, Lady will look on me. Right angle, 1, 2, 3, go.
Right angle, angle 1 meter is 90 degrees. Is one right angle.
So, an angle whose measure 90 degrees. Okay. So, second angle name?
Obtuse
Wait. Says that obtuse angle is measured greater. So, what is greater? Than sa 90 degrees. So, kung dari 90 degrees lang, 90 degrees lang, ang obtuse is greater than, mas taas sa 90 degrees. Okay. Acute angle. Okay. So, says here that an acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So, what is less than?
90 degrees.
So, John Lloyd, what is less than? Stand up. Less than. So, less than 90 degrees. Okay. So, our right angle is measure 90 degrees. So,
Obtuse angle. Acute angle.
So, what angle? So, I have here a protractor. This is a protractor. Okay. So, it says that the right angle is measured 90 degrees. So, where is the 90 degrees in the protractor? Very good. You? Nara digdari daw.
Ako niya.
Okay. Okay, put na to kung 90 degrees. Yun siya. Okay? So, butang na to ang protractor is 90 degrees din siya. Okay. So, naka-point ba ang 90 sa kanina line?
Wala.
Nakapot siya?
Wala.
Oh, narang 90.
Oo, naka-point. 90.
Right angle. Very good.
Right angle.
Okay.
Right and right angle.
So, tama, pwede mo mukhaan mo doon ba? Pwede mo mukhaan. Ikaw. May 90 degrees siya? Very good. Ikaw.
Ate! Ako, Tibe!
Oh. Napa kay Kwan?
Ako, te! Ako, te! Ako, te!
Ako rin. Marunong.
Ako, te!
Napoint din siya sa
King Tommy.
Mo maningin niya. Ito nga.
Hoy! Ano ba pa?
Ay, ito nga. Parang na yung ikaw.
Ako, be! Ako, be!
Ito kayo.
Ayun, kasi. Pasay. Ayaw.
So, kasabot na mo?
Oo. Sabi ko nga ano.
So the second angle name,
Obtuse angle.
oh,
Ano ko na?
obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees. What is greater than?
90 degrees.
Mas dako sa 90 degrees.
190 degrees.
So saan na sa productor kasi makan? Nasa your hand na naman.
Ako.
Ikaw. Yes, take
Ako lang ito. Ako.
Okay, ikaw.
Ano ba na ako?
Sana lang. Saan bang ka? So, di ba 90 degrees ni no? So, ang man, ano rin than na ako? Paano nung sa 180? So, ang gano'n.
Asa ko doon na, babe. Kita ka mo, ano?
Point ni mo.
Kakanan
So, where is the 90 degrees? Ba? Sabot na mo while greater than 90 degrees, di ba? So, what is the third angle name?
Acute angle.
Okay, Nara.
Ako na sa...
Nara.
Ako.
So, it says an acute angle is less than?
290.
What is less than?
Zero.
What is the word less?
Gamay.
Oh, very good.
Less
So,
than.
another hand, the bod.
Ako sa... Sao mo na ito?
Sound.
Ay, ako. Naduan mo na. Ako si. Ako. Ay, ako.
Less than. Where's the 90 in this productor?
90.
Ay, pagsuot-libat yan. So, butanin siya. What is? Very good. Okay.
Medyo kapano.
So I think all of you know what are the different kinds of angles and how to measure the angles using the protractor. Okay. So I will group you into three groups. Ako na activity ta. So this side here will be the group 1, group 2, then group 3 side group. First, using the protractor na ihatag na ko sa inyo, you will going to measure the drawings that has given to you. Measure na using the protractor. Okay? After that, identify what kind of angle that. Okay? Let's have a quiz. Measure each angle with a protractor. So, using the protractor, you're going to measure the, very good, then tell the degrees. What is the degree? After measuring the angle, write the degree. Then tell what kind of angle is that. There are three kinds of angles, right? The obtuse angle, the right angle, and the acute angle. So, i-write po ninyo what kind of angle. Okay, so for our assignment next meeting, it's matching type. So, match column A with column B. So, number 1, 90 degrees. So like for example, so put your answer in the space provided. Okay?